Come on! The fuck is this bullshit? Table 4, right now. Clean the pass. What did I say? Did I make a mistake this morning? How much did I order? That can't be right. Michelle, where's my pen? Karen! Okay, Karen! 20 seconds, Karen! What the fuck is this? You don't give me a plate? Why are you fucking with me? You're handing me a plate and not being honest? What the fuck's wrong with you? I said 40 seconds with a warm ingredient. It develops a crust around it. Push it done. When you're ready to cook, let me know. I'll be right here. Where are we? The 2 cartons of food pork.
Hold on, Chef. 20 seconds on the finish, Chef.
Pork!
Run a shot.
Shot of the past. Hey, Chef. Fill it out.
Where is he?
Outside. Throwing up.
I'm gonna give everybody who had dinner here tonight their money back. And I'm gonna write to each and every one of them and apologize. I'm gonna apologize for the fucking disaster that happened here tonight. It's my fault. My fucking fault. I gave you this to use, right?
Yes, Chef.
Because each slice of potato for pomme has to be exactly 2 millimeters thick. Did you think that was a joke?
No, Chef.
Did you measure your potato slices?
No, there's no time.
There's no time. You just have to know. But you don't know. I thought you did. I'm sorry. My fault. Michel, le Saint-Jacques, tu as laissé 1 minute plus. Pourquoi est-ce que tu attendais pour les autres ingrédients? Après ça, tu as mis au serveur. Pourquoi tu fais ça?
Ça sort le coup. Si je la jette, on fait attendre toute la table.
Non, tu la jettes. C'est pas parfait, tu la jettes. Je m'en fous l'heure. If it's not perfect, you throw it away. Regardless of time. Eat it.
Yes, Chef.
I'll spit it out before you die. Who gives a fuck, Scout? God, I made a mistake with you. I didn't know you were deaf.
I'm not deaf.
Then how come I left you at the saucier, then I find you at the poisson?
Adam.
I'm not talking to you!
How did you turn a beautiful, fresh piece of turbot into a pale, lifeless turbot fuck-all? How the fuck did you do that? Apologize to the turbot because it died in vain. I said apologize.
Turbot, I
Not
sense.
to me, to the fucking fish.
Turbot, I sincerely apologize.
You ever take a chance? You ever take a chance in your life?
Yes, I came to work for you, didn't I?
You don't get to talk back. That wasn't a fucking question.
Tonight
You're a
went
piece of
wrong
equipment.
because your menu.
Until you
lacked
run your
balance.
own kitchen, you say, yes,
Everything was
chef,
designed to
whatever you
shock.
want, chef,
What
right
shock?
away, chef, and then you
Like,
shut
it's
the
impossible
fuck up!
fucking like to walk.
You're a fucking poison, you know that? You're a fucking infection. Get the fuck out of my restaurant!
Don't ever fucking touch me again.
Get the fuck out. The fuck out! Get the fuck out now! Everybody get the fuck out now! Call the TV people, tell them I'll do other shows. There's not gonna be another empty table at this restaurant again, Tom.